Guys, if you want to continue training in the UK, you have to download TrainPal. Here's why. First, you'll get a £10 discount for all new users. Just use the code TK888. Plus, they have new discount codes every month for all users. Two, let's say you bought an expensive ticket and now it's cheaper. TrainPal's price hunter will alert you and help you change it to the cheaper option even though you already booked it. It's amazing. Plus, save up to 95% with split tickets, various coupons, red card, and TrainPal card functions. Go and download TrainPal.
Hold on, brother.
The shocking video captures the moment when missing 11-year-old Adriana Young was found lifeless in a pool at Doubleday Hotel in Tushin, East
Alright, Jason.
Hey, yeah. That Young disappeared at 1:30 p.m. on Wednesday.
If you say? She said, if you put her money goal up there.
Yeah, put our money goal up there.
Alright? So if you change your life goal and put our money gun then, alright?
I'm gonna show you something.
I like you so much. My darling. The money gun and I'm seeing.
This is the iconic Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder. I've been using it in my makeup routine for 7 years and counting, and I don't plan on putting it down anytime soon. Now, it's the #1 setting powder for a reason. Let me show you why.
See that? You fit think, learn fit turn, fit think big.
Oh, wow.
Bumbo class. Bumbo class. Eh?
Do it again, me never see.
Me pussy clap, but I can't even see that there. Do it again. Do it again. I three that now. 3 money gun that. Oh.
Me say me no see where
One
you
more.
like, do it again.
One more, 3 that. One more. My 4. See you next one. If you don't send the next one now, me talk. See there. Send the next one now. I life goal at 2. You don't tell me to put 1 and I put 2.
There you go. You sent that. I didn't have enough phone number.
Okay. It's no problem. I'm not going to pressure you, darling. I will not pressure you, darling. I will not pressure you. I will not pressure. Just told me say. Hey. Hmm?
You see Chen?
Give me a couple minutes.
Yeah, alright. One more clock, just and all, you come there, you can't come off. You can't come off and you get so much blood clot kind. Yeah, everyone, man, this your pussy wall. Everyone, man, I will come as a conquer. You get too much. Eh? Everyone, me this your blood clot. Everyone, nobody ramp it, everywhere. Pussy wall, nobody ramp yourself, you know. Ruben, when him come back, Ruben, him soon come, Ruben. Him soon come. Come, on, tap up the screen now, make we catch you 10K likes. Have a lovely evening, X. Okay, you too, darling. You have one lovely evening too. I hope you sleep well tonight. I hope you dream about me tonight, okay? Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you. TK. Thank you. Thank you, darling. I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, yeah? Thank you. You know, so the art there, me look, me see like, me know that's what they are. You see that's what they are from. You see that's what they are. Thank you so much for the likes. Thank you.
Family. Relatives claim that the hotel owner and staff were reluctant to assist in their search efforts.
Wish life have a do, but me want be a things gone when me wish never happen. You want
Thank you so much for the 10K. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah? Thank you so much.
The little spotlight couldn't cancel the dark. I wish I could undo the past, but the memories are undone. Strapped on those legs, oh, them one I don't clear. I'm tired of life, holding this up clear, I don't see. Yo, take back the cash, take back the fame. Me I keep the fire father, so I stop the rain. Got the key, me not see my brother, me cannot leave. I'm never did say evil till my phone change. I'm not the same. I realize that even money now we stop the pain. Tell the clowns to give me what we can. Tell the man say, slingers, wish life of all do, but no one of things wrong. What we wish never happen. You want thugs gone, no gone. Yeah, me know. Wish life of all do, but no one of things wrong. What we wish never happen. You want love thugs fast. Each every rough part. Young slingers, we ignite darkness from early. So me end up in a war with no concern. Just a family, but some of them turns. Next me no war, I'm rich cause everyone burn. No listen no matter quick, this is a long journey. Enough boy for dead, but each other not worth it. I try clean out, can't pass them. Can't count people, my pussy can't turn. I already say fuck love, why start searching? Wish we could have pressed a button once it started. Still I got smile, don't lie lonely, I'm in a jack crowd thing. Young slingers, wish life from all do, but me one of things wrong, but we wish never happen. Me one of thugs gone, love gone. Yeah, me know, wish life from all do, but me one of things wrong, but we wish never happen. Me one of thugs fast. But you in a rough part. But I can give me strength for me continue on. Tell him thanks for the songs. The little spotlight couldn't cancel the dark. I wish I could undo the past, but the memories are undone. Straps on me don't slip, oh, them one I don't clear. I'm tired of life, oh, when this up clear, I don't see.
Join millions of people around the world who use Remitly to send money to their loved ones. Our customers highly rate the Remitly app on the App Store and Google Play Store. It's the easy, fast, and safe way to transfer money to your family. Discover it for yourself. Try the Remitly app and send money worldwide today.
From the 2nd of June, you need to ensure that you have the correct documentation on this electronic. Make sure that you are able to secure an application for to transfer your status by way of no time limit application. It may be that you consider making an application for citizenship, but something needs to be done. For those of you that have status under the EU settlement scheme, you will likely already have been registered for a long time. Once you complete your status or settlement status, there should be nothing further for you to do.
So I'm gonna ready now, wake up with promises. Like get the blessing even though I'm full of sin. You cut the place and we never pull up in life. No Nike, but I don't pay nine. Driving, off the try, off it up in 90. My lad, and I try, I'm go for my things. Cuban down to find none of my links. You're right for it, boots, and I can't hold it. I always start for it. Pull up the stairs, we make it watch short. One time I'm hungry, I just know that door. Maybe I don't know to the sky. Now see me, I'm not gonna be a guy. Life is to go proof now. Don't matter every time you know me, why you want me a guy? Lifestyle look like a movie, a garbage. Bad blood clot, trip my toes in the camp. Everybody think she know who she the man. We go buy back to win a use little flash. Every youth is a star, I mean you be no part of the pool in a yard. Thing up on the gun, buy proof from the dogs, don't use in a lamb. Work and check his stats. Make it cash, spend it down, get it back. Send my dog up at New York when I'm mad. Get it break outside, send it out. Real to my dog and I ain't card. Washing off the heart from his elite card. I'ma never run from nothing, I'm a star. Never run from nothing, I'm a star. I know it's your rock for it, it's my crack for it. I always stop for it. Pull up the young stars, we make it black show. One time young, I just know that no. Maybe you can go to the star. Just me, I'm not gonna be a car. Now the kids are proof now. Don't matter really, don't matter me, you know me a guy. Four grand, the best for the shoes, me a van. Rose rice, umbrella, me a used to the storm. Get them fast, me not that when it come. Each night, boss, pussy clap up the one. One bag of boom, every part of your day. Blood that's the run, no time, every time. Some sweet like sugar, but I start to the sun. If you bright, to my bright, no dark, no dark, you're right for it. Piece of my cat for it, I always stop for it. Pull up the young stars, leave what you got for it. Anytime you're hungry, I just know that you're. Maybe you don't know to the star. Just me, I'm not gonna be a car. Now the kids are proof now. Don't matter every time you have me, you know me a guy. Lifestyle look like a movie, a garbage. Bad luck can't get my toes in the ground. Everybody think she know who she the man. We go buy back to be my music a flash. We really know to the star. We don't care that it's all in the air. Pull up in my teeth and my past and we used to my life. Nobody don't go round every night. Had a real try.
Of these text messages actually show more probable cause as further evidence that Diddy physically abused victim one and that he coerced her using blackmail and that she didn't want to participate in some free call. Diddy also tried to call Cassie Ventura because of her civil lawsuit. He claimed that she had financial motives to lie because of a lawsuit, but the judge called him out on this also. To see after Diddy settled this case with Cassie, how this undermines her credibility, that it actually does the opposite. Shit is getting real. Did he just got denied having evidence?
You've got pensions from previous jobs. It feels so good to combine your old pensions online. Be pension confident. Download the app or visit pensionbee.com today.
I just want to bring to the notice.
Hey, girl, now you do the things like shine to show them to be a star. Mix it with the ball name. Uptown, what we come from a criminal player. Them free in a jail, now them see my pump here. Now my done like a tears, now my dash champagne. The money can't change me, now I feel. Long time we have a dinner, like a small lane. Nothing them so now again. Remember so look out for me. Make them tell us you can't. Use your phone. Mount up plans and them didn't fly. Them is so carried far. Oh my God, the day I'm crying. Oh no, now for wait till the sun stops shine. For sure them say we are starting. Not for live like poor life don't exist. Brand new 2025 exist. Put you on me, but done 10 splits. Tough fight, 3-wheel, man, good man. They poor now wealthy. Ice from my chain can never do no melting. Plaza sparks and a welding. 7.6 doors, my day head split 5. Lungs Remember we speak like, but we reach like, but big and it bright. Yeah, man, branch that evil in man. We're done for me things that the evil is done. 14 we put car, we put big car. 14 shoot and the others spit back. They wanna we bring shoes with the TD car. Tell the jewel I'm a starring girl. Some go the whole back.
Get real-time feedback, and much more.
Well, alright then, come on then. Morning and morning, I may say even or even. Morning and morning, I may say even or even. 12 o'clock is like a melting pot. In a Kingston when the sun gets hot. Water and mist and straight through your back. Never know, say Lord, I saw the city up. Say morning and morning. When it is cool and shower. And say evening and evening. When it's all and good. Real rumble jungle. Tell them say the whole world has crumbled. Real rumble jungle. And the whole world has crumbled. Anything we need them in the morning, I give them in the evening. Alright then, so. Anything we need them in the morning, I give them in the evening. Come on, dad. Anything we give them in the morning, I'll give them in the evening. Alright then, so. Anything we give them in the morning, I'll give them in the evening. Come on, dad. It's a morning, a morning, evening, or evening. 12 o'clock when the sun gets hot, the earth is like a melting pot. That's when the day when Kingston off. Water runs straight through your back. Every walk you walk, water drop. The earth is like a melting pot. We say anything we give them in the morning, I give them in the evening. Come on, baby. Anything we give them in the evening, I give them in the noon. Alright then, so. Anything we give them in the morning, I give them in the evening. Come on, baby. Anything we give them in the evening, I give them in the noon. Alright then, in the morning it's so charming. And when the breeze is blowing, in the afternoon it's like a melting pot. And then the time the city run.
Big up yourself in a quote. Big up your damn self, man. Respect and manners. Active strength. Different vibes, man, and different vibes. Have all the vibes and different vibes.
Sounds like you would call King Kong saying original thing. Rastafari, yeah. 639 Lincoln Road, remember Jamaican Delight thing, see? Our brethren passed through from Nottingham, family, you know it go already, see?
I be all in murder, you hear that? Quotes. When I talk to quotes, more you full of a gun.
Yeah man, you're a TikTok legend.
Yo.
You see it? I actually connect back to line and then.
Listen what go on, just full of recharge. Recharge for tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be all in outside tomorrow. Tap up and come in. Tap up and come in.
If you was there, you would never stay. Oh, I know I'm counting, baby.
Charlotte, I'm still ready. All right.
Come, somebody gonna sing, no man. Who can sing? Nobody can sing. And until the music come, I can. Jesus. The X Factor people there, man, I'm going to my X Factor. I see that, people. X Factor.
Change the vibe. Change the vibe.
Must have 100 deep, hope, deep, bone, deep, rap, nigga, he a freak, though. Man down, call an ambulance, tell him bleed, bro. Nigga to the cross, he walk around like T-Bro.
I mean, that's a pull up.
Niggas trying to see Compton. They in the street.
Money gun.
Mama, how many options you got? I mean, it's too many options. I'm finna pass.
Then I tell him for that.
Stockton. Beat your ass and have the Bible if y'all watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to school with him. Walking down,
run up the 15K like.
Hold on him, stuff shit, but he's gonna throw him. Say Drake, I hate you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Charles the only one that get your hand down. And party at the party, pulling with his nose down. And Baka got a weird case where I see around. Certified lover boy, certified pedophiles. That fuck 'em up. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably
A minor.
They not like us. 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 They not like us.
Just wanna take you like bomb clock, money and gun, pussy. Run up in your face enough. You're back. Where you say you're back? Mama said she gone in her bed, master.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, you bitch. Hit the house, they tell me is you hit it, you bitch. Home invasion was persuasive.
From 9 to 5, I know it's taking your bitch. Living life like rappers do. Back when condom rappers wasn't cool. I flushed your Reagan with the tell my bros. When Usher Reagan and it burn came on. I stopped selling not time.
What's it?
That's a man have to make that call.
Oh.
May have to make that call, that's why.
Yeah, man. She said she got an Oh!
Brother, who not make trouble with you before?
Before when?
Since it put your life, brother. I am trying to figure out the person and tell you
Ruben!
Georgie, brother.
Georgina!
She is your one.
So tell me now name Georgina.
Brother, go look for the account. Yo, our knuckles are silent. Like the meter, brother.
Oh. I told you.
You look like she knows somebody from Jamaica, brother. Look like she knows from Jamaica. Yo.
So,
When she talk, brother, yo, Jamaican me here.
oh. But she said she has to sit about Romaine.
Brother, the thing is, upper food place he come from, brother. You know where up there, so brother, can't get up. He come for a knuckle live this morning, and that class said certain things, brother, and then we go say certain things and run my mouth. And she take me on boy. I said, but we may not become friends.
Bumbo clot. Respect a man and see I not in a go. Clot. Active enough. Thank you very much. Thank you. That's what I mean now, but we'll find out how by tomorrow I know. Big them up tomorrow.
Yo, the only somebody more than I want to find out who, brother, is Coach Soros.
Me not try to find out if I not make nobody business mad blood clot me and that no come on TikTok for no go get fucked.
Where John Crow?
Pussy world about it. Me not try to find out she or he is a good person.
Yeah, I know he's a good person.
So me leave it as blood clot that.
Charlie can't box the boy upon him boat.
Ring.
No, man, I tell that.
If shall box me so you me go find pussy hole, so I can't say that.
Yo, if I met JD video.
Oh?
The little one, man.
JJ.
Yeah.
You know, come man. Alright. She is me. Quote says she is me. What do you mean?
What are they? She is me.
Yeah. What do you mean? What do you mean by that?
Hold on. Shirley brighter than we.
I'm a woman. Okay.
Oh. Okay, alright.
But blind. You're blind. Why you put that eye there?
So bad boy that be where work I go and do over there.
It a go out with the thing, man. I go and do the right, man. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. I go and do the right, dad.
Yo, want me to tell you how you see me have so much friends up there, brother? She be saying they do money going, right? And they end up saying to me.
So you get 2 money gun?
You get 2, brother, me get 2.
What the pussy blood clot?
So that's where they go.
You see? I tell you, I see more than
Bad
that.
man, what kind of thing that be up?
Brother, but I beg for you, brother. I may end up get to.
Oh, it's
Send it back.
No, we can't send him back.
Send it back.
it's alright. You have to share it on.
Huh?
No, but recharge on the guys.
Send it back. Send it back. Send it back.
Yo, I should be here, bro. Me disclose that still.
Mirror. Cause people have to then see how much money going on the screen and me I say a lie. No gossip.
You get 2 money gone, brother. No, I don't want 3. 3 again.
As I said, some know you're fast in my business deep, you're fucking a dog, cause me know all they say a 2, me I say yo, make him more it as 2. But a 3 me get 2, so you're fast in my business deep, dog. Yeah. Phoenix, big up yourself, Phoenix. I mean, I know this 11 night, active my people. Come, that means say, make we get to 15k likes. Make we get to 15k. Just make we get to 50k likes.
That's what quotes for us, I guess.
I mean quotes for us. Big up your damn self. Active. Big up. 15k likes. Just when I say you have to send back one of their money going there. You can't take 2, you have to take blood clot one.
So, brother, you get 3 and me get 2. So, I may tell you, we get 3.
I mean, man. Big up yourself, quotes. Big up. Why your name I call you fuck? Why your name me how me don't know, but I say go. I appreciate it. Yeah, I appreciate it, yeah. We can't, but I appreciate it.
Yo, David,
You
know, that's one good coach over there on our page.
So what?
Some conscious coach on our page.
Oh, that's why I name so. Okay.
Brother, we go over there, man. We go do an investigation, brother.
A good people.
Find nothing.
A good people.
Yeah, man. Them support.
Yeah, man, I go to Mali, brother.
Thank you so much, yeah? Thank you. I appreciate it. Just yeah. Just still not top tailor say I have to send back blood clot. When I money gone. Man, you to see what me have to tell you, say? You see what me have to tell you, say, dog? You can't go believe you. Me I tell you, no?
Bless up quotes for us. Thank you.
Me say me no know, bro, but me say, let me tell you that, dog. Me say me want to make one video first. I want to make one video and put on it first.
So you can't tell me music down on Avatar Play still, David. Yes, actually, simply did that. Then tomorrow, yeah, but we're not affordable anyway because
we appreciate you
and
not here.
You can pay a lot of money. So, yeah, I'm not for set up saying for Saturday tomorrow. What time is it?
Thank you. Yo, just make a video, man, I'll put you on.
No, me not put up it till me tell me after me tell him now. Me tell me put up it. I make it.
Oh, yeah, talk from say they put you up after.
I just want to get out of it. Yeah, Sean, what time you finish today? What time did you finish today? Yeah. And I...
So yo, over think this a dog I go live?
Someone I go live every fucking day. Man have in business place, man go live every day.
Okay.
Every day they go live. But I just threw me there now and touch dog live and share dog live and sit next to me.
Because, yo, when me see Darby share live, you know, me I say, yo,
You know, see me share
Darby
people
they
life.
live.
I me share people life.
Me not even look funny and see who the funny, you know, brother.
Sure, me send you a foot, Jay, take a
Just
shot.
touch money and come in.
Well,
And when me come in, I say, yo, Rocky, you change your name.
No, I change it. You know me not share life, but you me that dog foot, so me just share dog life. See me? Mm-hmm.
Well, I dog go here and him enter up there, so.
Yeah. And then man that my party, my birthday party, and sit down the dog there, I'm foot for feed
No,
that.
guess what now? Me just want to know who brother because guess what now? Me come back from
My youth, listen to my youth. And that me tell you about blood type. Man now look no man enough to see who better. You just pussy clot, check in pan the live if you are checking pan. Quotes, big up yourself. Check in pan the live if you are checking.
I'm not like that, bro.
You want blood clot, see. You mad, and your guns, your brother name guns in the man, you're done dead already, you know.
Brother, we don't go there with it, we don't go there with it.
If you did go there with it, you're done dead already, your brother name guns. Fuck me and fuck around. You know that?
Alright.
Fuck me and fuck around, no man.
Me know, brother.
Quotes, big up yourself, respect our manners. Respect. Manners. Yeah, damn, man, jump out tomorrow, man. I'm active tomorrow, man. Yeah,
Okay, yo, but I big man never know people ask me, say, yo, women they. People ask me, women
I
they.
mean, quotes, respect our manners, man. I appreciate it so much, man. I tell you.
People ask me, women they. You ask me, women they. The whole of guns people them ask me, women they. But brother, man, just take a break from the yeah, brother.
Me not normal out too.
Because, yo, I want to hold you for shake when I go on for the app, brother. I hold you for shake.
I youth, I firm you have to firm at that. I tell all shall too. I firm you have to firm for the pants up.
No, well, I know.
I have to firm. You know,
What
to man?
Of course.
So boy, what time you like?
I'm not going ready, man. I'm saying, I'm not coming to that work.
Thank you. No, you must know about me just the last 16.
Yeah. What's it?
So, Davy. Yo.
What?
You're making join the team too?
No, so them man not stay there with them.
Oh, you might say that in a join the team.
No, so them man not turn there with them. Man not serious. Them man in a roll them with.
Okay, sir.
Man in a giant and come lap no fractal and no box on them. Man do no thing.
No, I didn't say box business, you know. I didn't say box business.
That's why if him not upon the team, that mean if him upon the team, have to come in our box and sit now, him not upon it.
Oh, understand.
You see me? You know, so me love a little box thing. I teach me love a box thing, cause so me come jump in a dog box and Mrs. Too little eat that girl go like they want to style me and I box me down box down then thinking pussy class and walk on them. You see me? But me no bother pay them. So that's why I tell you about a box thing. So this a man and I go fuck with them. You see. This a man a one away thing with him 3 months style.
Okay.
Me not too, that's why I show me see knuckle one night and that's why I just jump. When him send a request, me just go up with them back. And if more smarty in them, me not accept it. Cause better me can't bother with the thing. Better me a big bomb buckler man. I mean, I want nobody come there so can try disrespect and chat up something. And deal with me somewhere.
And that you know better, I
mean, you
level of disrespect better,
so that's why I'm just normal. And I can't have my blood clot wife down my foot and make my wife hear blood clot people that disrespect me on TikTok. I do a thing that fam. See me?
Yeah.
Yeah, brother, I tell you that. I'm not depend. I can't make it cheat and up this and hear people that disrespect on TikTok. And TikTok I know my blood clot dinner. As I mean nobody shall no baggy off of TikTok. I'm not think of shit like a dog to blood clot. And that me I tell you, and that me no want. I just normal, I come for normal test and make some people put some smile on their face. Cause I like when people smile, cause I know when me know how it feel for no smile fam. Me know.
But Daddy, Remember saying when we just started out, brother. When we just started out, with the silent crew, brother. With the gun crew, The thing is, we come on live every evening just to put a smile on somebody's face, brother.
Yo, I'm not coming to that guy. My didn't see me tell nobody, yo, John, send me this, send me number, I'm gonna do that for. I just know, man. Alright, it's like I'm soon in a box, I'm soon in a chat, Gaza and all I know there. But now I'm allowed to talk to you and interact with you so far.
No, because, alright, look
at him, brother. No, come myself a blood clot. Me there around some serious people, man. A real people, me there around, we work, they work, So, me can't come and come sit down on TikTok about two people. I'm going to walk right I want to them. And that may take a... May have some people when me meet up a gun, I've said you that. Them people, they better put a smile on face. Alright, them people, look, pan coat. A good people, them are found.
Yeah.
Them just come. And that you have everybody, different type of people for you. Different type of people. You see me?
Alright. I see me this evening, brother, me there work. I rain a fall, brother. I say, me can't go to the over use it for a wash. Right?
Try make sure you share my phone.
This girl just take me from nowhere and show me
now.
The girl just throw me in her box, brother. I guess so, me don't know the girl from nowhere, brother.
My you good people, fam.
Yeah, until the girl just started telling me something.
Wait a minute. We sitting there, this Robin panel live. Robin said every little thing. Everything.
What's this, Ruben?
Panel live.
Yo, bossy.
Yellow.
I want a bigger box. It's a bigger box for one. I can't hold it through the
yes, that ring pussy wall, but you want a bigger box. Yes, that ring out, but...
You want one like this?
A bad then tell the man say I want a bigger box, a bigger animal have the box in my face. A bigger animal have the box in my face, but...
What bigger one, man?
A bigger one, man. The double size.
No, so I tell me things say a video camera, you have to take up in your face, but that's not easy,
That's not easy.
I edit him, man, go edit him.
You taking it home? You taking it home? Put it all in.
Yeah. No, I'm going, man. No, I'm allowed to them. No, I'm
So, what? Okay.
Hey, I want thing we do another way. I want thing we do, your cup never left out of your hand,
Nobody fuck up Charlotte, nobody boots up Charlotte, no bumbo. And that's what I mean. When a boy come up in your box, where you go on, you don't have no bed.
No. The rain went up.
Clive fuck up Charlotte. Clive tell me to make big on it. Charlotte, you know like me I tell you. Charlotte tell me to make big on me a question. I say,
I'm going to put in this, but you have to bring it back. Yeah.
No, when we say that,
hold on, man. Charlotte tell me say. Wait a man. Charlotte tell me say me head big when you my flat here. See me? And me ever tell Charlotte say, my girl stop chat shit about me because my head not big. And one night that this man I see Charlotte flat me and Charlotte. The man say, but you ain't big, David. Yes, a boy climb. Oh, yeah, big. But you ain't big, David. Me has a blood clot. I shall right over me and I shall kiss him teeth and when shall kiss him teeth and jog me 2 times to 2 pussy. Shall jog me so look how long me I tell you. And you go on live. Somebody else go tell you that. You see? And so shall say me about sitting in a man and see you come and contact you something. I don't know, man. I tell you that TikTok when you come for watch out people blood clot. This is for TikTok.
I just want to.
Yeah, right now.
That with me.
You see me, my dog? Yeah, I'm going to go watch what people business for TikTok. They think that shit like a joke.
They come to this.
People business.
No, they don't get nothing.
Oh no, nothing. Not that thing when they not get. But
Yo, there's not a dull moment for one, brother.
yo, dog, master.
Not a dull moment.
Master. I will have eyes, man. That's what I'm telling you. Right people, them man.
How will I say you're from Birdie?
Who?
Birdie.
I pay. See, Mr. Birdie repost for me and shall video them. And repost them, master. I shall not go like. If me no force shall, if me no juke shall in inside and tell you to go live, shall not go live.
But yo, let me ask you a thing. When you just start your life, right? You accept your credit card?
No, what year that update funny from? Fear another child.
On TikTok, sir?
No, on TikTok itself. They not accept that?
See what something keep on a pop up.
TikTok send you no money. She not 3 day time, you know, man, or less than 3 days. Your bank details and them send.
Yeah, yo. I trying to go live the other day, brother.
Yeah, man, you hook up to it right now. You never see come up your phone.
What I say?
Say that, accept it. Add your bank details.
Is it?
So it just, you can just click it and it sends the money to you. Yeah.
No, we never really. We have things funny in it. We have money funny, but we never cash out.
Me did a farm pool and my blood clot in. But me depend there, every gift me get me I send back to give people. I mean, I tap me blood clot up. All if you know why, yeah. You see my business, you don't know. Blood clot work. I work me work. Me can give out me all of my pussy clot savings and sitting and me bus pass money and then me give you. And no blood clot take it. And when me have a real big match, you don't come pussy clot up. But me say, if you can go near me shit. But to do. Think me business, you don't know. Quotes, we not talking, you know, quotes. We not talking, you may talk, but daddy, not you. Not you, yeah? Yeah. They not support your back. They not support your back, sir. And that's a fuck up thing.
Anybody here, you chat to her, you don't take you serious. Then if we don't be now a garbage man. And then can't go down in a acid pit.
I mean, quotes, but no, yeah, put. Sorry. We know you push it to you. 15K like. Listen to me.
But I'm not telling you that. At the end of the day, I go live with my virgin. I go live to show my virgin.
We want culture. We want culture.
But guess what now? Through the market, the big credit card thing, I just go back off, brother.
We never spend that.
I told me I listen to the boy. That's a yes. You have to have friends with you?
Yeah.
No. You want?
Pussy hole when you can sit down there and listen and you think I beg me a beg pump blood clot like. I tell you, they don't watch people business enough. They know how I wouldn't in a pussy hole. I'm telling you, but you see to me? Me know courts. Courts, me know that. So me just tell you, say me not talk about you. Me just tell them, you see me? So I work very hard. I have 7 kids, yeah? 7 kids, so I have to take care of them, so I have to work. And TikTok, I'm not going to take care of them, yeah? Yeah. But I like this. I not tell you, say, yeah, people business they come. Suppose shall lay you when the blood clot talk and you come back and load up now, fix action. If you are telling about who know people business, them alone. Who know people business. Poor shall lay you. Poor shall lay you, Mr. Seven picking now. Eh?
What we say?
What you repeating for?
We don't call back your figure, brother.
Lord God. Yo, I don't know. You know? You know, sit down, put on credit for the phone, and you do call and find. More on credit. You don't beg. You don't beg credit because you don't want TikTok and want people business. Yo!
Yes, sir.
You don't call. From Jamaica, you don't find credit for call for big credit. You know wicked. Hmm? I tell you, cousin. You come, sit down, lap on the fracture for TikTok. We don't know popcorn or we don't back juice and bulla. We don't know what we don't know what no have, but we don't sit down there. Because sit down so they watch people business. You know? We are found no blood clot for clown. Justin, we are coming, Justin. Yeah, I shoot me, I'm telling you. I'm not talk to you personally, just say if you do it anybody, I see your business.
Does that mean you know the two? What's that chicken as a film job? All the way for Christmas, chicken as a
That's all me never say you know. But if you do it, I burn your blood out of your business.
No, I do not take it offensive.
Yo.
See your friend join this. One birdie.
Bomba clot! Queer! Shall queer! We just talk about 250 bird queer. I put my girl. Me not say, me I tell you this. And if you want to vex tonight, me have business now. You just come but me I tell you. I truth and me I say it from my heart. You see me? I make up my mind to tell you. Come on. Get to bed! Get to bed! Me no, oi! Me I tell you, know. Me no business, me I talk from my heart. Me I say not a business to tweet the bird. Hours a night over England, you know, so me not say hours a night over this. So. But, my girl, your office stop. Stop make hungry take out you out of your bed at night and you can't have a belly, so. You cannot. My girl, you can't have a belly, so every night you make your belly take you out of bed. So go nyam. Eh? Look for a night, me share live to you. And I know how much o'clock at night you come here, so. Eh?
Type up and keep it together,
eh? That will come off on my phone, please, my baby. Well, Anna, let me ask you. How move a phone this look like too? This look like a pay phone? Me ask you this blood clot. This look like a pay phone. Me there by your phone? Eh? Me there by your phone? On my phone, me there pan, brother. Me hype in the night you fucking a man, so can me have things for my life tonight. Look for me blood clot like them. You know, I see my kind of. Yeah, alright.
They're not going to doctor.
My dear, the man and go and do the penny them now. You're 7 pennies away. Hit him back. My eye pin at night, yeah. I tell you. You know, some life tough in the night, yeah. But I'm loving you, fuck. Well, that's what I'm saying. Well, I will tell the boy Sean one night because I don't know me. Me an entertainer. Me tell him to me start movie, you know. Like a Rambo, the man sing me start, you know. Me start them, you know. I think that's how long my blood clot. Me don't know what them are with me. But Twitter bread, me reach our place down. Me I go bust back Twitter bread. You know what they say. Me start bigger show than Rambo them. Commander. Where you show man them where you know, Ras? Where you show man them where you know? A long time show man them where you know. We start for the movie, Clive. We start for the movie, you know. Eh? Clive. Brother Clive. I say we star, you know, for the movie. Long time. Big star. Me tell them to me, a bigger blood clot star.
But you need your own show. There's something come up again.
No, that's God, because I can't find them.
There's something come up again, Clive.
Alright?
There's something come up again, Pando.
How is it?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Blood clot.
Let Clive come do it. You can do it?
Yeah, man.
Where is it? Two. Oh. Oh.
You need to get your one shot. You need to break. But tell them I'm coming back. I saw me I come back this time.
Where the cold breeze are coming back?
You need to break. I saw me I come back.
Cold breeze are coming
You
back.
ready to come back? On TikTok. I saw me I come back. You better be a push up me I do. Exercise. Be a push up exercise. Tell me come back. You say me come back. On TikTok. A different thing. Me know more me one show. I mean, you have to tell me that show. I tell you no, me know. Me don't do the right thing, man. Know what I'm saying?
Oh, that's one person watching as well.
Eh?
Rascal, pick up yourself.
Yeah, 1,000 watching?
Pick up your damn self. Could you please make that one person be more? Could you share the live, please? Share it. Share it, please, and thank you very much.
Share it and show the love.
Yeah, share. We never know anything say I record my record. You don't know what I can never tell me that. What can I tell me say I live with the fan? You me think I record, I record. So me know you love edit. So, oh, Bumbo Clot!
YouTube, eh?
I'm just over there.
Live
We
YouTube.
pussy Clot. You don't pick up on yourself for my YouTube. What's up with that? That's a family there.
Hey, live YouTube.
Live YouTube. I was some pussy know about me.
No,
Eh?
somebody just come up on it.
I want them pussy and know about me.
Nobody was on it. Them just come.
Just when I see that, I YouTube me there. Me, this I said boy. I YouTube me there. Me pussy clot. Titi me boss, yes. Me boss. For you know, see blood clot take me to school but me boss. You take me to school? Me don't boss. Eh? Me famous. Say that. Famous. That's what you should say.
Boy, yo.
It actually changed up. That's what you should say.
I am famous. Say it. Famous. Say it with me. Famous.
Famous.
Yo! Over YouTube, big up on yourself. I know say I suffer me with blood clot. If me did know. If me did not ever know. See me over YouTube. Check out my YouTube channel. What my YouTube channel name again? My YouTube channel. Jadi Bingy D. Put it in a fire you page. Put it in a page. Jadi Bingy D TV. Put it in a blood clot chat. I fire you with it. Put it in there. Jadi Bingy D TV. Blood clot. I don't think we done. We got school. Jadi Bingy D. Don't fuck with. I tell you. Put in a for you page. They can't hold me. Yes. Tweet about it have time so they can't hold me. Because we know I don't have no way for they hold me for a blood clot. I don't have no clothes. They can't hold me.
Now what David, you need your own show for real.
Yo, my youth, the people them a talk to you. Yo, the people them a talk to you if you come give them a something. Are you? If you come give them a TV something, make them put in high for you, please.
Yes, that's the
Yeah, man. A Jaddy Bingy TV.
Take your time, let's tell them.
So, a J A H D E E B I N G Y. Yeah, J A H D E E B I N G Y D E E TV. So it's Jaddy Bingy TV.
Hold on, I say, no.
Jaddy. Yeah, you have to put a Bingy there, you know, like Bingy. Rastaman them, Bingy. Yeah, Bingy. Yeah, Bingy. Yeah, man, Rastaman thing. Bingy.
Okay.
Yeah, Bingy D. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, when you go upon it, man, just show the love and thing and subscribe and share and them thing. They're most appreciated, my brethren. I try to build a local thing, you know, see it. Boy, I'm here, whole heap of peony wall of them. Oh, God. Yeah, man, Jano, I'm not tell you, man. I bring back some old time memories, my brethren. Yes, I am. Yeah, man, I name Jaddy, you know, so, you know, the channel kind of based off of me and thing, and, you know, some little thing why I deal with and them thing.
I'm not going to go over there and subscribe still after I come off of your life.
Yeah, man, most appreciated, man. Rastafari, most appreciated.
Yeah, man, can you know say oneness we say, no, brother?
Yeah, man, I oneness all the time. Oneness all the time. All over, no matter where. The whole way I want, yeah, same way. But me there, let me forward deal, because I sort out something around us.
Yeah, man, do your thing, man, do your thing.
Tweety bird. Put in the Tweety bird, yeah. I want to give him a strength, yeah. Yeah, Justin.
Yo.
Yeah, man, I want to put it a strength.
Yeah, man, every time say as soon as...
Yeah, if you can save it. If you can save it, I want to know. Right. And tomorrow we are going to make him DJ. He can DJ now. He can DJ and can sing. So tomorrow, tomorrow we'll put him on. We have a vibes tomorrow still, that's me.
Alright.
What did I say to you?
Yeah, I just do my notes to them there. I just do my notes on the there, just that's me. I know my notes on there, so my feet come through, you know, there. You see me that? And that's why I'm saying I can't go take on it selective me act me not, me can't do it in a but you see me that me have to have people there where me know. Quotes, big up yourself, you know. Check out the YouTube in channel too, you know, quotes. Check in our chat. Jadi Bingy TV. Check it out.
Ready? You're gonna drop them and go? Are you plan?
Well, if
Yo, watch out now. Quotes, Jackson, tweet the bird. And we'll say, tomorrow we'll check him back for the live car. Oh, I know, still you know.
Alright, just guidance, brother.
Yeah, bro. So tomorrow we'll
Big up
check.
Sharon and big up Bossy run about there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, big up your general, big up yourself, my G, big up.
Oh.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, man.
Yeah,
Shall I
big up.
sleep, but she drink ice.
Just on tomorrow.
Yeah, man, alright.
Alright.
See boy night, Charlie.
Alright.
Big up with yourself, you hear that?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Then we'll have vibes tonight.
A good vibes that man.
See how that man them, you know, see how kind them there. That's one still the part.
No, I see. Oh, 1K diamonds.
If you never record to a moment, them and take you on the way to sitting and we have a real thing, so you can sit down there a long time and sit down pan there, you know.
Oh.
So you can sit down there feel like you can't take care. We have it.
We have it.
And with this. So you can't do that.
Live everywhere.
Everywhere to blood clot. 230 viewers. You see that?
You can stop this one now, please.
What you do? I do. Grass, contact this one.
No, man, I'm not sure it's all them for. Yeah?